Hello guys, and welcome to another Fusion 360 video. In this video I'm going to create 3 different panels that are going to be cut on the Weeke CNC machine. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I have a sketch here with the dimensions. Alright, 3 different panels. They have the same width, just the depth is different. Alright, you see it? 17 inches, 15 3/8. You got 15 7/8. And they all have the same notch right in the center, same size notch. Alright, and the materials can be 3/8 Plexi. Alright, so let's create the first panel, this one on the left. So I'm going to create a sketch, select the bottom plane, 2-point rectangle, 20 and 7/8, 20.875, hit tab, 15.375, size of my first panel. Alright, so I'm going to create the notch right in the center, which is 2 inches by 3 3/4. Right. So I'm going to hit L for line, put a line right in the center, select the midpoint, I'm going to go up 3.75, right click, repeat line, select that point, going to the left 1 inch, right? And next I'm going to create a 2-point rectangle, select this point, go to the right 2 inches, hit tab, and then 3.75, hit enter. There's my notch right in the center. Right, so next I'm going to extrude this. Right, so hit E for extrude. Right, I'm going to go up 0.375 by 3/8, right, and we'll create a new component. Click OK. Right, that's the first panel. I'm going to name this panel 1. Okay, let's create the second panel. Alright, just this one on the right. Right, so same width as the one on the left, it's just the depth is bigger, 17 inches. Okay, so I'm not going to create a new sketch, so I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm going to copy this panel and paste it. So I'm going to show how to do that. So I'm going to select this panel, right click, copy, click on Plexi panel, right click, paste new, right, just grab the arrow, move it to the right. I'm going to click capture position, click OK. Right. Alright, so the depth is going to be 17 inches. Right. I'm going to rotate. I'm going to extrude the back. So select this back face. Right click, extrude. Right. So 17 inches. So it's 1 5/8 difference. Right. So I'm going to type 1.625. Hit enter, and this should be 17 inches. So hit I. Check just to measure. Right. So I'll select this edge right here. There you go, 17 inches, right? All right, next panel is going to be the last one, which is 15 7/8 depth, right? So I'm going to use the same method, but before that, let's name this panel 2. So I'm going to copy, select panel 1, paste, start copy, click on where it says Plexi panels, right click, paste new, grab the arrow, go all the way to the right, click capture position, all right? Right, so this is 15 7/8, right? So there's a ½ inch difference, right, between these two panels. So I'm just gonna extrude that panel to a ½ inch, right? So rotate, click on the back face, right click, extrude, extrude it ½ inch, 0.5, right? Let's check this is for 15 7/8. So hit I on your keyboard, and there it is, 15 7/8, right? Okay, we're gonna program these panels, right? So before that, I'm just gonna save it. All right, so we're gonna go to manufacturer. I'm gonna program this panel here, panel 1. So I'm gonna create a new setup. Okay, see where it says model. Click on nothing and select this model here. Okay, right. In the corner, that's where it's supposed to be. See the bottom corner. All right. Already selected for me, and stock. This can be 0. Post process. Name this panel 1. Okay. There's a 1/4 inch end mill plastic cutting. You can type the comment here. Oops. Type plastic end mill. Right. So hit OK. Right. So I'm gonna create the. I'm gonna notch this out right here. So I'm gonna use a 2D contour. I'll select the tool. It's a 6mm plastic end mill. This right here is the Mana 43608. Okay, select that. All right, next tab is gonna be geometry. I'm gonna select those 3 edges here. All right, 1, 2, and 3. All right, so double left click on it to open contour. Select open contour. And this one's already selected for me. Now select this here and this here, and we're gonna accept it. Click on the plus sign. All right, make sure the arrow is pointing in the wrong direction. Right. Okay, make sure it's not pointing this way. Right. Make sure it's inside the notch. All right. Next tab. Okay. Leave everything the way it is. Start to leave. I'm gonna uncheck that. Right. Passes. I want to put a step over it, so click multiple tabs. It's gonna be, let's do 4mm. Okay. Next tab. It's gonna be linking. All right. Everything is good here. All right. So let's go back to the height tab. All right. Yeah, so I'm cutting all the way through. I'm gonna put a vacuum pot here, another one here. So I want to put -2mm. All right. All right. So let's click OK. That's my tool path. All right. Let's simulate it. Right click, simulate. Simulate that. Okay. There's the notch. All right. That's the first panel. Okay. Let's program the second panel, the one in the middle, which is 17 inches in depth. So let's name this setup panel 1. So that one's already selected. I'm gonna right click on it. I want to duplicate a setup. All right. So I'm gonna select it, right click, edit. Okay. We're gonna uncheck this body. I'm gonna select this under model. See it. Okay. And this is the program name. It's gonna be panel 2. Okay. All right. We're gonna drop down here. I select this 2D contour. I'm gonna right click, edit. Click on X to deselect the whole thing. And I'm gonna select this three edges here. All right. So double left click on it, open contour. All right. 2, 3. All right. We're gonna accept it. We're gonna hit the plus sign. Okay. So I don't have to do anything else to the height tab. So everything's copied from the previous setup. See it. All right. So click OK. Okay. All right. Let's go to the last part. Do the same thing. Select that. Right click, duplicate. Select it. Right click, edit. It says model. Click on the X. Select this model here. Okay. We'll post process. Panel 3. All right. Click OK. We're gonna edit that 2D contour. Select it. Right click, edit. Go to geometry tab. Okay. We're gonna select. I'm gonna double click. Double left click on. All right. We're gonna open contour. That's 1, 2, 3. We're gonna hit the plus sign. All right. We're gonna hit OK. There you go. All right. So we're gonna post. All right. We're gonna post this. So, panel 1. Right click. Go to post process. Okay, panel 1. All right. Okay. Okay, we're gonna post it. Okay. That's one program. Go to panel 2. Post process. Right click. Post process. Right. Okay. That's the second program. Let's post process. The last one. Right, panel 3. Let's post it. Okay. Right. Let's look for those programs. Okay, it's panel 1. Let's open it up in Woodwop. Right. That's the first one. See. Got the size here. All right. That's panel 1. Panel 2. All right. Panel 3. All right. Okay. Got some noise here. I got my daughter next to me. I'm sorry about that. All right. So, but this is the video. All right. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.